Last words last night. The very first words you greet me with this morning. Don't you think you ought to do something about expanding your vocabulary?
Yeah, while you expand your test. Did you get enough exercise jogging this morning? Don't you ever get tired?
I don't think I'm going to have time for breakfast this morning.
Why not? It's ready.
Denise Marshall's boy asked me for an autographed football. Gonna drop it off on the way to the office.
An autographed football from you. And you haven't played football in 16 years.
Well, I guess it's part of this nostalgia binge everybody's on. Anyway, it's the ball Frank Gifford signed. That's the signature he really wants.
You know, I find it peculiar. Almost amusing. The widow Brian Marshall comes back into town after 7 months, and you rush off without even so much as a cup of coffee. But if I ask you...
You asked me to stop off at the market to pick up a head of lettuce for you, I find some excuse.
Christ. You know, if it wasn't 7:30 in the morning, I would have a drink.
I didn't know you were a clock watcher.
What? What did you say?
I said I didn't know you were a clock watcher.
Don't you dare lower your voice to me.
Look, what's this all about?
I know you. I've been married to you long enough. I know the more contempt you feel for me, the lower the voice.
Ah, Remy, you'd hardly call this a marriage, would you? Going now, Remy. I said I'm leaving. Remy. 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 Jim, Stuart Graff. She's done it again. Yeah, I think we'll get faster action if you call the ambulance. Well, of course I'll induce vomiting. I know the rules by now. Just get over here, will you? If you're going to throw the pills in the toilet, you might at least flush it.